This channel gets a significant number of views by quiz videos. Look at this video. It has reached an incredible 4 million views. Moreover, it generates a substantial monthly income ranging from $1,700 to $26,800, which is quite impressive. This serves as a great salary for a side hustle. Here is another similar type of quiz channel. Its monthly income is around $3,700 to $59,600. Both of these channels were created in the year 2023, and their rapid accumulation of subscribers within a few months is truly remarkable. Are you ready to kickstart your own quiz channel? You are watching Macro Earning, and I'm here to guide you on creating engaging quiz videos so that you can become a successful YouTuber and start earning a substantial income. Today, I will show you creating a video that features 20 questions to guess the most popular cat breed, and viewers will have to guess the correct answer from the 3 answer options. Here we begin with ChatGPT. First, type the prompt. I need a set of 20 questions to guess the most popular cat breed in a tabular format with 3 options for each question. Out of those 3 options, 1 option will be the correct answer and the other 2 options will be the wrong answers. Right answer must shuffle among the first answer option or second answer option or third answer option. In that way, add all the instructions in the prompt to get the exact output you need. Below in the description box, I have attached the prompt I used here. It will only take a few seconds. ChatGPT will start working on generating the list in a table. If it gets stuck, simply write continue. Once you have the questions list, proceed to an Excel sheet. There you can make some manual adjustments. If the answers are not shuffled properly, you can do that manually. Next, it is time to go to Canva. In Canva, select a YouTube video format and choose a suitable background. I like this background theme. That way, you can first create an intro for the video. Add a suitable title and intro for the video, welcome the audience, and a small reminder to subscribe to the channel. You can customize the text using different effects and fonts so that it will give a unique look. You see that it can easily create the intro. Next, the content of the video. First, I do a customized design. I think the yellow one looks great. What do you think? Then let me choose a nice background. You can search for spiral backgrounds. They are good for these kinds of videos. Here is the structure of adding questions to the video. I changed the font color and font sizes so it looks better. Now we are going to create a professional timer. You will see how easy it is. Find a good color that matches well with the background. Then adjust the duration to 10 seconds. This is the space for 3 answer options. I add a circle and rectangle and do some customizations to make them look better. These are very simple customizations. You can add animations too. Here I add some images of cat breeds relevant to the 3 answer options. To get these images, you have to create a folder on Canva, then search images from Canva and add to that folder. I'll fast forward all the steps here. Most importantly, don't forget the music and sound effects. Add suitable background music to make the video more engaging. If not, it will look so boring. You see there are sound clips in Canva. We just need to add them. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Your support is greatly appreciated. Here is another trick when creating quiz videos. After time out one quiz, we have to show the correct answer. So we add another spiral background on the top of the template we designed, and on that background, design the structure to display the correct answer with its image. Then we hide that section and set proper timing to pop it when each quiz is timing out. Just release the answer in the last seconds. Let's see how it looks. All right, next we have to voice over the question and add that audio clip to the video. There are free AI tools to voice over our YouTube videos, such as Murph AI VoiceOver and 11 Labs. Today, I use 11 Labs tool to do the voiceover for this quiz video. You have to manually pick the questions from the Excel sheet we prepared and add it to the voiceover tool. Here I show you how I generate voiceover clips for the question.
Which cat breed is known for its long, luxurious fur?
Once you have downloaded the audio clips, again, upload them to Canva. Now, let's start adding questions and answer options. As we are ready with all of the individual elements on the template with dummy data, now we can bulk create all the elements with real data in our table. Go to Apps and search Bulk Create. Enter data manually and copy and paste the table we prepared on the Excel sheet. Make sure to add the proper titles on the top. Are we done now? No, not yet done. We have missed something. Did you notice it? Where are the columns on the table to add the images of cat breeds for answer options? Can you remember that we prepared the structure of the template with images for the answer options? On the Excel sheet, there were no columns for images. So here on Canva, we add 4 more columns on the table for images, 3 for answer options, and the other one for the correct answer. Then we have to browse the cat breed image relevant to the answer option and it on the column. As we have already added those images in a folder on Canva, this process is easy. Follow these steps I'm doing to add images in the table. All right, now we have everything added on Canva to create the video. Let's connect the data with elements on the template. Right button of the mouse and connect each element to the chart in this way. First the question number, next the question. All 3 answer options in text. All 3 answer options in images. Correct answer in text, and correct answer in image. Now we can generate our pages, and the video is almost ready. But there is one more step remaining before downloading the video. You must drag and drop all the audio clips of the questions, which were uploaded to Canva previously, relevant to each question and answer. Similarly, have to add all the other sound clips to all the questions as you did for the first one. Finally, check the result. Wow, this is amazing. You are almost done now. Let's download the video. When downloading, choose not to create separate files so you can download the video as a one file. You have downloaded your video now, and that's all about creating a quiz video easily. Like and subscribe for more similar content. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.